What is up, guys? Welcome back to Sport Little Bastards. And on today's episode, we are going to put on the headlights that are off of the white Camaro onto the blue Camaro. We already did the taillights, and the taillights are a little more tinted and look way better with all the LEDs and the sequential turn signal. So now what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and put the lights on. Already got the car up on the lift, took the wheels off. That's your first step. And then, well, actually, that thing looks like it's been in the junkyard. That's what this is, the blue Camaro is going to look like in a second. So what you have to do is you have to get inside. First things first is go ahead, take your wheels off like I said, and then you're going to want to take this inner fender out. There's some T15 screw heads, which is the star head, and then some clips. You're going to want to take those out on both sides, and then underneath you're going to want to take off the skid plate, which should be right there. It's got some 10 millimeters and some 7 millimeter screws that you'll take out, and then that'll pop out, and then I will explain the rest, and let's get to it.
Think about the times you let me go, falling through the cracks, emotional. I struggle to see what your reasons are. Sitting in your balance, silence breaks my heart. Turn the key, used to be our getaway car. Now I only wanna get away from where we are. Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Out on the water, I'm swimming hard, I'm trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you.
Alrighty, so both sides are done. Now you're gonna go in here, and there's 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, only 3, 4 down here, and then this tiny one right here, there's a only single one. You're gonna take those out on each side, and that'll release the this section of the bumper here, and it should be just the top, and then pull it on out. Alright, so then you're gonna take off these little trim pieces here, the T15 here. There should be a total of 6, and then that should be the last pieces that you need to take off until the bumper can come undone. Hey guys, white Camaro is officially put back together. Bumper installed, skid, or the little skid plate on the bottom, the fenders, and the 1LE stock wheels are back on. Yep, she's going major back to stock here. So, blue, she looks like she's in the scrapyard. First things first, when you're putting on the Morimoto headlights, is you're gonna want to go ahead and plug this in for the power. I actually just took off the fuse box from white and put it back on here. It's the same setup, reads all the same stuff, all the same fuses, and so I had that little notch previously in it, so I just did that. And you're just gonna wanna zip tie it up. I try to make it as neat as possible, leave enough of these power wires out. Ran the wire to run to the other side, the driver's side, along here. That's exactly what I did on the white Camaro. And then I kind of just zip tied it up here, left enough for it. So now what we'll do is we'll plug in the lights, make sure that they all work, that everything's proper, and then we'll go ahead and back to making her, back to putting on the mean old face over there. And then that way we're done, and we'll see what she looks like with the lights.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Out on the water, I'm swimming hard, I'm trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you.
That looks so mean. That just looks killer with the blue. Hang on, let me just change it just to the lights. so menacing. It looks so freaking mean. Oh shit, especially with the blue. Oh, holy shit. Now let me turn the lights on real quick, just to see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that looks so fucking killer. Holy shit. Alrighty guys, that is going to conclude today's episode on the headlights for blue. They look so, so mean. Like, oh my god, I'll have to get more footage in like an Instagram video or something of like the lights actually, but they look so mean. Just that like white strip underneath, that longer C looking shape is just so badass. And so yeah, so that is officially done. Put the skid plate back on it last night, and then I kind of just was like, I'm exhausted, so today's a new day. And what else we also did, this is just a quick little teaser. I think the car's new name is like Superman, because the color combo with the blue, the red calipers, and now the gold wheels from white, I think it looks pretty good. I was not expecting like the gold or the bronze to kind of flow well with the blue, but now I'm seeing it with like some sunlight from, you know, the garage being open, and I think it looks actually really good. If I don't like it, it's obviously an easy fix. I can just go get the wheels painted, but for now, I think it looks pretty mean. I think it looks good. There's a little bit of a spacer, and plus it's not all the way on the ground yet. The lift is still carrying it, so I have to jack it back up and get it up because this car is super low. But yes, it is official. Has the tires, has the lights. I haven't even owned this car for like a week and a half now. Actually, I haven't even owned this car for a week, because today, Saturday, I would have probably been picking the car up in about 3 hours if I didn't gone. So, I've only owned this car for about a week now. Tail lights, headlights, and wheels already done, already set. Bam, she's getting modded real fast. And more to come. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I've got a lot of ideas coming for this thing. White's over here sitting back almost to stock. Poor thing. And that's pretty much it. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, everyone.